Hello everybody. Welcome to Kids Tech eLaunch. Today we are going to see how to make your very own quiz. It can be for friendship and it can be for some subject. It can be a general knowledge quiz and lots of more. So let's get started with it. So first, the preparations I have done are, I have taken a sprite and it's a flying hippopotamus. And I have taken a backdrop of slopes. I have made a variable in the data tab of the score and I have made a list of sayings. Now the first thing we always do is we take this block from the events, which is when the green flag clicked. And the next thing we have to do is take our character into the middle of the stage. So take this go to x0 and y0 block from the motion blocks. Now we have to set the score to 0. That whenever the game will be started, we will make sure that the score is set to 0. Now the player and the character should give their introduction to each other. So in the looks, we'll take this say hello for 2 seconds block and this say hello block and change this to my name is Hippo. Now we have to wait 1 second and take this block from the control tab. Now for the more interaction from the sensing blocks, we have to ask our player what is his or her name. So from the sensing tab, we will take this ask your name block. Now for the interaction, take this say hello for 2 seconds block and from the operators, take this join hello world and make this hello into capitals and make a space after this O. And here instead of world, you will insert the answer from the sensing tab. Now again we have to wait a second. Now here comes the questions. But before the question, we have to just insert this block, delete one of sayings and change this one to all of sayings. Now here the question comes. We have to make our very own question. For that, just take this ask what's your name block and just make it a question like do dogs bark? Obviously everybody knows the answer. And make a question mark. After that we have to tell the computer that what is the right answer. And if the player gives a right answer, then what to do. So take an if block from the control tab and duplicate this answer block and keep it at a side. From the operators blocks, take this is equals to block and insert this answer here. And if answer is equals to yes, it means after this answer block, we have to insert the answer here. It means if the answer will be yes, then the next action we have to do is from the looks, take this say hello for 2 seconds and insert very good. So whenever the answer for this question will be yes, then the computer will say very good for 2 seconds. Just duplicate this block and insert it here. And else it will say oh no. Now we have to increase the score also. For score, again go to the control tab and take this if block. And in this if block, again duplicate this block, which is the green one, in which it is written if answer is equals to yes. Then go into the data tab and take this change score by 1. And you can change the score by 1, 5, 10 or whatever number you like. I'm changing it by 10. Now for adding more questions, what you just have to do, from this question, which the first question you have inserted here, just duplicate it, and the whole question, answer and the programming will be duplicated, and attach it down the first question. Now it is question number 2, and just change the question. What is a cat sound? For example, and put a question mark here, and if the answer is equals to meow, then very good. And again change the answer here also, and you are done. You can just duplicate this as much times as you want, but don't use the forever loop or the repeat loop for this. The reason is, if you choose the repeat loop, the question will be repeated. The question will not change, and the same question will be repeated again and again. That's the reason we are doing this. Now let's see how our project runs. It's running good. Let's insert our name. Let's insert a right answer now. You can see our score is changed to 10 on the right answer. Now we will insert a wrong answer. See, the score isn't increased. This is how you can make a quiz. And how will the player get to know that the quiz is ended? For that, you can just go to the looks tab, take this cello for 2 seconds block and change it to congratulations. The player will get an indication that the quiz is ended now. So this was how to make your very own quiz. If you liked our video, please click the thumbs up and please subscribe our channel Kids Tech eLaunch. Thank you.